To see the dividend yield on Webull, start by opening the Webull app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from your app store. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main screen where you can access the market data and your portfolio. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to enter the stock symbol or name of the company you want to check. After selecting the stock from the drop-down list, you will be directed to the stock's detailed page. Here, you will find various information about the company's performance and financial metrics. Scroll down on the stock detail page until you find the sections labeled Dividends or Dividend Yield. The dividend yield is typically displayed as a percentage, indicating how much a company pays in dividends each year relative to its stock price. You can compare this figure to other companies to assess its appeal as an investment. If you want to see a history of dividend payments, look for a tab labeled Dividend History. This section will show previous dividend payments and their dates, giving you further insight into the company's dividend practices. By following these steps, you can easily find and evaluate the dividend yield of any stock on Webull,